Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact Instagram username or numeric ID. Accuracy matters. Open the Instagram app or web and use the search bar. Enter the handle without extra characters. Once found, tap the profile and check the contact button or profile metadata. This is the fastest path to a visible phone number. If nothing shows, make sure the account is not a business with hidden contact info, and prepare to move to alternative lookup methods. Once the basic search yields no number, you pivot to linked resources. Look for a Facebook link or business page tied to the Instagram account because contact numbers often sit there. Next, scan the bio, story highlights, and pinned posts. People list phone numbers in captions or contact buttons. You should also inspect comments and tagged posts where someone might have shared a number. Make sure to respect privacy. Only use publicly available information and proceed ethically. To finish, send a concise, polite direct message requesting the number. Explain why you need it and wait for a voluntary reply. If that fails, consider reputable third-party directories or business registries, but verify any number you find before calling. If the profile is private or has blocked you, accept that you may not obtain the number and document your attempts. Troubleshooting tip. If numbers look outdated, cross-check area codes and recent posts to confirm current validity before contacting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.